Howdy everyone, dankydrank here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get set up to program in Java, which will come in the next episode. But now this is getting set up so you can write Java. Alright guys, first of all let me say, forgive me, this is the third time I've had to upload this. It's driving me absolutely nuts, but I'm going to try and release these about once every day or every 2 days, as I have time. These aren't as intensive to make as other Minecraft videos. So, what we're going to do first is I need you to go to Google or whatever search engine and search in, or type in Dr. Java, and just search for that. And the first result should be it. If you don't want to use the search engine for some reason, just go to drjava.sourceforge.net and then download it for your operating system. If you're not on Windows or Mac, the jar file should work for you. So I would, of course, download it for Windows here. And then as soon as you download it, what you need to do is create a desktop shortcut for it. And if you're on Mac, you can skip this part. I'll put an annotation and a little timestamp showing you where to skip to. Down in the bottom right, the annotation, you can just click on it and it'll skip to that part automatically. So that'll be down the bottom right for Mac users. And otherwise, if you are on any other operating system, you need to search in Google Java JDK. Alrighty, then just go on the first one here. Let me make sure I was having some issues. Okay, good. Got it. I was having some issues with my recording thing before where the cursor was jumping, but that shouldn't be an issue now. It might be a mild issue, but the whole video was jumping and it was horrible. So you want to click on this one here to download the JDK, accept the license agreement. You can read it if you want. I already kind of read it. A lot of people don't, but I mean, they aren't like making you their slaves or anything. No, it's a good idea to read it. I did not tell you that you shouldn't read it. So download this for your operating system, whatever that may be. Again, Mac, you don't need to do that. And then what you need to do is you should have already created that Dr. Java desktop shortcut. Alright, Mac users are back now. You should have already created your desktop shortcut to Dr. Java. Let me delete this. Okay. Yep, so you should have already created this. And you can go ahead and launch it up. And it opened up my other monitor there. And just type anything in this window. Hit compile. And we are going to want to save, or first of all, create a folder on your desktop. New folder. Call this programming. And then pull Dr. Java back up and do file, or no, you don't need to do that, sorry. Just type anything in this box here and hit compile. And then save it to that folder on your desktop and name it testing with a capital T. And there you go, it'll give you an error right now. And we aren't going to do anything with this. Actually, I want to get rid of the error for you guys. So I'm going to write this. I'm not explaining what it means very deeply, but to a mild degree. So follow after me. Type in public class testing with a capital T. Hit return, start a curly brace, end the curly brace. Go in between them with your cursor. And then, alright, so public. What public means is that other file, first of all, what is a class, for example? First of all, you can hit compile now and it'll work, as long as this and your file name match. But what is a class? A class is a file in Java. It's a framework that can store things, and it's basically a single file, one entity, I'm hesitant to use some words here, but one file of code. And public means that other classes can see inside of this file. Class, well, we say class because Java wants to know that we're actually creating a class here. And then this is the name of the class, and it has to be the same as your file name. When you're naming classes, always name them with a capital letter. The new Boston doesn't do that in some of his videos, and it makes things difficult later on. And then just go into the curly braces, and you guys are set. See you in the next video.